What's up, y'all? So I haven't done anything new to my car here in a hot minute, and I wanted to swap it up to kind of get a different feel because I've been bored. So what I decided to do is I've picked up some new rim covers. I'm swapping out the ones that I currently have, which I've had these on for around a year or so. I don't know if you can see them. But anyways, I picked up a new pair of rim covers from Evbase, the exact same company that I got these from. And yeah, just wanted to bring y'all along for the journey. I think that's it. Let's start. The style that I decided to pick up this time are their 19-inch cross-flow wheel covers, and I got them in the color black/dark gray silver. And these look so unique to me. Like when I look at them, they low-key look like the Predator, like his face and his mask from like a top view. I don't know. Let me know if you see the same thing. But I wanted to go ahead and take care of all of the prep work. So they give you this padding, or it's kind of like felt in a way. And you put this along the entire back side of the wheel just to try to make sure that it's not going to scratch your wheel as you're driving. The box comes with 4 solid black hubcaps, and they've got a little stick-it adhesive on the back side, and you just stick it in the middle of the rim cover. But I also saw on their website that they have these Tesla logoed ones. With the solid black ones, it's a very nice, clean, sleek look. But for some reason, when I put the Tesla logo ones on, it makes it seem more premium, like more of an official product, but couldn't tell which one I liked the most. So I decided to do half and half. So this is what they look like in the daylight. I decided to get dark gray. So normally I would have gotten all matte black. Matte black is my thing. But I decided to get this one that has this dark gray on it because I was hoping it would match my car. Does it? I think it does. I don't know. Just to do a really quick like compare and contrast between the two, between my old ones and my new ones. But I'm trying to think, should I have gotten it in matte black? No, matte black, nah. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, anyways, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and take this old one off. Should be very easy. Where do I start? Here? It actually took me a lot longer to get this first rim cover off, not gonna lie, but I realized that I was taking the rim cover off the wrong way. So don't do what I'm doing right now. Don't try to take it off at the very edge. I've got a trick coming up later in this video that'll show you a way that's a lot safer on your actual rim underneath and a way that'll be less strenuous. All right. All right. We're just gonna go over how these wheel covers look really quick because I do want to tell y'all about like the durability of these. So I've had these again almost a year. They have officially been through every single season. So they've gone through mud. They've been caked up with a whole bunch of snow and ice. I traveled from Nashville to Florida with these on, and this is what they look like. So I just washed my car off yesterday. Just washed these off yesterday also. So the durability of these things, I would say, is really good. So I'm not worried about the new ones messing up or anything. I think I'm liking these. Let me step back, hold up, let me get a good full picture. Cute. Okay, I like that. I think if you have the Quicksilver or a Quicksilver Tesla, definitely get the dark gray. It just looks so good. Ah, it looks so good. Anyways, let me go ahead and change these other ones really quick so we can just wrap this up. If you just so happen to have this brand of rim covers and you have a hard time like trying to get them off, I put the little tool that they give you right here. Put it on there like kind of like flat and then pull like directly out. I'm gonna do a wrap around the car really quick so you can see what everything looks like. Pretty much sums it up. Ready to go wash my hands. They're filthy. I just wanted to show y'all really quick this new modification that I did to my car because, like I said, I was getting a little bored. I like to swap it up every once in a while. Anyways, like normal, all links are going to be down in the description bar along with like the discount code if you do decide to pick these up. I like these. These are cool. Let me know which ones you like the most. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Talk to y'all later. Bye.